If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level parabola. So today we'll discuss about latus rectum. What does this latus rectum represents and what is the physical significance of this one. Okay, then let's see the latus rectum of the parabola. Okay, one interesting thing, what is latus rectum of the parabola? Okay, now if you see a parabola, it can open in this way. So you can say its mouth also. It's how big is its mouth is. So one parabola can be this, one parabola can be this, one parabola can be this. So how big is its mouth? You can say how opening is its mouth. If it can be small, it can be big, it can be big. So latus rectum will give you that idea how big it is. That is the interesting thing. For now, what is latus rectum? I have mentioned it double ordinate. We will define it what is double ordinate. For now I have removed it. So I will come to it later. Latus rectum of a conic is defined as the length of the chord. Chord means anything that passes through focal chord that is going through focus. Any curve, this is chord. So if it intersects at 2 points, then it becomes a chord. This becomes a chord. So the chord that passes through focus is known as focal chord. Anything that passes through, suppose this is your focus, so this is known as focal chord. So we will come to it later. So the length of the chord which passes through the focus, it has to pass through focus and it has to be perpendicular to the axis. So the length of that chord from here to here is known as the latus rectum. If it is big, then its opening is big. You can see here the latus rectum is small, here the latus rectum is big, here it is much bigger. If your latus rectum becomes big, then your parabola will be a much wide open mouth. Okay, that means how much big bite you have given to that ice cream. That is your latus rectum. If your latus rectum is big, then your parabola will be a bigger one. Your bite will be a bigger one. Okay. Now what is the focus? That is A0. So let us calculate this point, these extreme points. If it is A0, then what is this value? If x is A, then let us calculate y. If x is A, then let's y is equal to k. Then k is equal to plus minus 2a. So this coordinate will be a comma 2a and this coordinate will be a comma minus 2a. So what is this length? So 2a minus 2a, that is 4a. So your latus rectum becomes 2a minus 2a, that is 4a. So this is the length of latus rectum, which will give you idea how wide the mouth of the parabola. So that is the basic idea. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.